Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got the latest Fisch scripts for your Roblox game absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices, and for a start go to Google or any browser you got and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily and click on browse all scripts. So there we will find Fisch. Click there, guys, and then it will load up real quick like this. So there we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So guys, if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here how to find your user ID, or let me quickly show you. So go to your browser, go to your roblox.com and go to your profile like this. Click there. And just copy your profile URL. Why? Because in your profile URL there is your user ID. So just copy it, whole URL. Let's get back to our tool and just click here on this button. It will automatically paste only your user ID. So just click connect account, guys. It will start fetching our Roblox profile and you should get your name there. So there we go. It's my name, it's my avatar. So guys, now it's really important step, and we cannot import scripts without any executor. So don't worry, because we can import newest Delta executor now. So if you already have Delta executor, just select yes. If you already have a different executor, just make sure to select I already have a different executor, and I currently have no. So I will import newest Delta executor. Click there, and guys, now main step is to select our scripts that we would like to install. So I will select Forge Hub, NICUs, Overflow, and Soluna. So these 4 scripts, guys, you can Google for each script what they consist. So I will click continue after selecting this, and it will start connecting to the API. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all those tutorials and reviews. So yeah, and there we go, guys, API is successfully connected, and we also got our activation key. As you can see, it's unrevealed. So also our 4 scripts selected are ready. And guys, now we will have this bot captcha, and we will have to click I'm not robot, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts and we should get verified. There we go. Look at this, guys. Verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Look at this. We got connected, and now we will open our Roblox and we will test our Fisch. We will open our Fisch and we will test our scripts. Is it actually working or no? It should get imported already along our Delta executor. So we should receive Delta executor and 4 scripts that we have selected. Let's see. And let's wait for this loading screen. It's pretty annoying. Okay, I will click there. Continue, and look at this, guys, we got our Delta fully activated, and let's see 4 scripts. There we go, guys. Overflow, Forge Hub, NICUs, and Soluna, just as we selected. I will click on this Forge Hub and then we will test it. Does it actually work? And look at this, guys. Game detected, Fisch. There we go. Now, guys, we will test this script and we will see is it actually working or no. Look at this, guys. We have all those amazing options for our Fisch. Look at this, guys. So we can select enable farming, auto equip road, auto cast, auto shakes. Look at this, guys. Perfect drill, auto sell. Look at this, guys. It's fully automated. It's, guys, farming solo, selling solo, and doing everything solo. Look at this. It's amazing. So yeah, I'm so excited, guys, that it actually worked. Bloxforge.com is only website that actually worked so far for this script. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.